Ever feel like as soon as you get used to the way cars look, the entire industry decides to flip the script? Seriously, look at a car from 2015 versus today. It's not just a facelift, it's like they're coming from different planets. Giant screens, hidden door handles, and shapes that look more like a spaceship than a sedan. So what's the deal? Why is car design moving at warp speed right now? Is it just a trend, or is there something bigger happening under the hood? Well, buckle up, because today we're breaking down why your favorite rides are evolving faster than your smartphone. The biggest game changer? Electrification. For over 100 years, designers were stuck building around a giant hot metal box called an engine. But with EVs, that's gone. According to recent industry insights from Carbook magazine 2026, the absence of bulky mechanical parts has given designers a blank canvas. Think about it. No more massive grilles for cooling, no more transmission tunnels cramping your legroom. This freedom lets companies like Tesla, Rivian, and even the old guard like Ford and GM experiment with proportions we've never seen before. It's why cars are getting sleeker and cabins are getting way roomier. But it's not just about looking cool. In the EV era, range is king. If a car isn't aerodynamic, it's wasting battery. That's why everything is smoothing out. Those flush door handles and closed-off wheels you see everywhere, they aren't just for show, they're there to cut through the wind. Beach Mazda experts point out that a lower drag coefficient is now a top priority to squeeze every extra mile out of a single charge. Science is literally sculpting the cars of tomorrow. Here's the kicker. Cars are becoming software-defined vehicles, or SDVs. According to Design News, we're seeing a shift from hardware first to software first. Just like your phone gets an update, your car's interior is designed to be a living digital space. Physical buttons are disappearing because software can change, but a plastic knob can't. Manufacturers are moving towards minimalist, screen-heavy interiors because they want the car to feel fresh for years via over-the-air updates. It's a total shift from driving machine to mobile living room. And if you feel like new models are coming out faster, you're not crazy. Research from ResearchGate shows that the average car development cycle has been slashed from about 48 months down to just 25 in some cases. Competition is so fierce that if a brand doesn't update its look every few years, they're basically prehistoric in the eyes of the consumer. At the end of the day, car design is changing fast because our world is changing fast. We want tech, we want efficiency, and yeah, we want to look good in the driveway. But I want to hear from you. Do you love this new futuristic, minimalist direction, or do you miss the classic buttons and grills era? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.